Let's find the variance of a discrete population probability distribution using Excel version 16 or 2016. Here we got a study perhaps done on a number of girls out of 3 children. So a family has three children. They could have 0 girls, 1 girl, 2 girls, or 3 girls. Maybe these where the percents come up. Now, probability actually should be in decimal form, so 0.205, 0.30, 0.107, 0.341, but oftentimes you do see them in percent form like you see here. Okay, let's first input our numbers into Excel. Put my X values in, my probabilities. I got 0.205, 0.3, 0.107, 0.341. Now our formula looks like this. Now we have the X already, we have the P of X already. The one thing we don't have yet is the mu. So let's find that first. Remember from before, mu is equal to X times P of X, and then you add that column. So we're going to need a column, X times P of X. So we're going to do equals A2 times B2. That's going to multiply that X value times this P of X value. Equals, again, has to be there for the formula. Now press equals. I'm going to click in cell C2, put my mouse in the bottom right-hand corner, click and hold down, and then I'll drag it to fill down like that. Now this sigma that's in front of this means to now add those. So if I click down in cell C6, click my AutoSum, and C2 to C5 is fine. So I do my check mark. This is going to be our mean. Well, now that we have the mean, we need a column for X minus mu. I'm going to do this in little pieces. So equals, X is in column A, so I got A2 minus mu, and I'll put a $C, $6. When I fill down this formula, I want the A2 to change to A3, A4, A5, depending upon which row it's in. But I want C6 to always point to C6, because that's my mean. That's why I put $signs on those. That's absolute referencing. Press enter. I'm going to click here and fill down. That's our X minus mu's. Next thing is we want to square that. So this one's going to be X minus mu squared. So I'm going to do an equals D2. And the very easiest way to square anything is multiply it times itself. So D2 times D2. And now I'll fill that down. And that's my X minus mu squared. I then want to take that and multiply it times P of X. So X minus mu squared times P of X. So I'm going to have equals E2 times P of X. Where's P of X? B2. And then press enter. And now I'll fill that down. And then last thing, notice I have a sigma in front of it. That means add that column. So I'll click down below the column, click my AutoSum, and it says F2 colon F5, and that's fine. I do my check mark here. And this would be our variance. So that's how to find the variance of a discrete population probability distribution using Excel version 16 or 2016.